Hey lovelies, so like I've always been saying recently, if you're tired of Telegram airdrop dust, then fasten your seatbelt and stick to this channel. Turn on notification bell and get serious with mining. If you've never earned at least $50 on airdrop projects, fasten your seatbelt and sit close. Turn on notification bell of this channel because it's getting hotter. And I assure you, if you do all this diligently without losing focus and you're consistent, you're going to earn at least your first $50 this year on airdrop projects, not Telegram airdrop projects. You're going to come to your app store or your play store and you're going to search for Xenea Wallet and you're going to download it and install it. They are going to copy the referral code that is displaying or popping up on the screen right now, because I'm going to need it very soon. If you don't have a referral code, it is not going to work. So once it's downloaded, you come here and you click on open. If you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan. This is where I share crypto updates, airdrop mining updates, I hunt for airdrop projects. I also share my new recipes on cakes, small chops, food tray, commercial drinks. From time to time, I share my millionaire tutorials and I share how to earn money on the side where I'm waiting for that job offer or as a side hustle. So yes, this is that channel you want to subscribe to. So you need to enter a referral code to sign up. I'm going to paste the referral code I have and I'm going to click on sign up. Once I click on sign up, it's bring me here and I'll click on I accept terms and services and I'll click on continue with Google. It's going to pop up the email address account or email account you have on your device. You choose the one you want to connect with Xenea app and then you sign in successfully. So I have successfully logged in. I've successfully logged in into my Xenea wallet and just follow the instruction I gave earlier on. Go to your app store, play store, search for Xenea Wallet, download it, copy the referral code showing on your screen, and then you are going to choose the email address you want to sign into Xenea and you sign up, and then it will bring you to this dashboard. Now you will do all the tags, look at all the tags, follow them on Twitter, join Discord, join the Telegram channel and do all the stacks. Then you're going to come in here to claim every day. Just come here to claim a daily reward. So you click on claim now. It's going to bring this here and click on great job. So if you claim today, you come back every day to do this claiming. Now, so that I don't forget the airdrop projects I'm mining, I just created a default folder on my app homepage and I added all of them. All the airdrop projects I'm mining, I added them to that folder. So immediately my alarm rings for the day that I'm supposed to mine my airdrop project, I'll just go to that folder and start mining everything. It doesn't take me an hour to do this. At most 30 minutes and I'm done, and I'll come back the next day and do the same thing. So it's very simple. If you are consistent, it's going to work out very fine. Then you're going to come here, you're going to see this on your home page. You click on these missions. If you click on these missions, it's going to bring you here. You're going to answer daily quiz. Now I'm going to be sharing the answers to this daily quiz on my Telegram channel only. So if you're not on my Telegram channel, join right now by the link in the description box of this video. Join my Telegram channel by the link in the description box of this video. So I'm going to you're going to do your daily quiz. Make sure you do your daily quiz every day. Then you invite friends, do all this. Once you are here, you're going to click on this place that shows day one. You click on it, then it's going to bring you here and you're going to click on start quiz. Then you're going to come here and choose the answer. So this answer is this D. Then you click on submit and you see I got 20 gems. for answering that quiz. So I'm only going to share my quiz answers every day on the Telegram channel. Yes, I'll be sharing it every day on the Telegram channel. So you're not on the Telegram channel, do yourself a big favor and join right away. So I click on this get more gems, it brings me here. I'll do all the tasks off camera so I don't make this video extremely or excessively long. Then you click on this place that shows mining. You click on that, you click on it, you will, let me refresh it. I need more gems. I need 8,891 more gems to start mining. So I'm going to accumulate gems by doing my tasks, inviting friends to start mining. Then you come here, you click on reward. I'm walking into the dashboard so that I know exactly what's here. So it said you are in, this is my position on the leaderboard right now. Yes. So and this is it. So I've done my daily quiz. You can see what I've done. I've done this daily quiz. I've gotten daily reward, welcome bonus. I've gotten that. But I think I still need to do more quiz. I'll link the Xenea or Galix. I'll link account to get more gems. Then if you scroll up, you see this is what is here. And yes, I did not start season 1, but I am on season 2 of Xenea. Then you click on the settings, you come here and you make edit your settings if you want. Just go ahead and make sure you customize the settings dashboard to suit your preferences. So that is just that about Xenea. So make sure you take all this very, very serious, guys. Take all this new project and bring it to you very, very serious, and we are going to definitely get it right this year. So that is all for me for now. See you in a subsequent update. Bye for now.